everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking over at how to change units in an easy way in all of the Adobe software. So when I say all, I just mean InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop. So when would this be useful? Pretty much any time that you create a new document and that you don't put in the right units here, which is points, pica, inches, millimeters, centimeters, etc., or pixels. Sometimes your printer is going to want something in centimeters, or depending on where you are, you'd want to transform pixels into inches, which I don't recommend, but if something happens to that you would need something like that, I'm going to show you how to do it in the software. So the first thing that you need to keep in mind is that your rulers need to be out. And the way to do that is to do Control R. So mine were already out, and if I press Control R again, they're going to show up at the top and on the side. Once this is done, you're going to click in the top left corner right here. See this here? You're going to right click, and you're going to have all of your units. And this is the easy way to change your units when you're working in a project. So let's say I want it in pixels. Well, now my rulers are in pixels. And if I go into File, Document Setup, well, even my file is in pixels. So like I said, this works in all the platforms. If I go into Photoshop, Control R, it's the same shortcut. Control R, right click in the top corner. Now it's not working on a ruler, and you can change from inches, pixels, centimeters, whichever suits your need. Just keep in mind in Photoshop, it's not in the corner, it's really on the rulers. You want to change it. And in Illustrator, it's the same thing. So if we do Control R to show the rulers, top left corner, and you can change it to whichever unit you need. This is a very simple change. Sometimes people don't have the right things. So if you need to change it without having to redo your document, then you can go into your artboard and just change your sizing at the top, whichever way you need to do it. So that was my video for today. I hope it was useful. Please remember to like and subscribe to make sure that you can see all of my new videos. And yeah, so that's all for today. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you next time.